Nemo is there. Did you know that? Did you know that?
Nemo's dead.
No, it's not dead. It's alive. It's a... Look, it's there.
No.
Why not? What do you want? What do you want to kill Nemo? Don't kill him. He's alive. He's a happy fish. Okay?
Baby.
It's a baby fish, but it's alive. It's not dead.
Dolphin was dead.
No.
Dead?
Really? The dolphin is there?
Dolphin was dead.
But why do you want to kill fish and dolphins?
I don't get dolphin.
Oh.
I want
You want some? The dolphin? You... No? Is your nose itching? You should scratch it. Oh, look! Are you happy?
No.
You should. You should be happy. Happy!